Hey guys, so I'm back with another vlog as promised. Right now I am in London. So as always, I'll be giving you a hotel tour. I'm actually a bit far from London, so I'm going to be taking a shuttle bus to the airport, from the airport to the city by the tube train. I don't know what works here, but I'm going to figure it out. And then walk around all the places and then meet my lovely friend Sean. So I'm going to the underground to take a train to the city. Right now I am at Westminster Bay, that's right behind me. I have seen the Big Ben, the London Eye, so beautiful. I'll be showing you some glimpse. I couldn't vlog much because I was so busy taking photos. So it's pretty easy to take the tube and then commute. It was a bit long, but so worth it. Now I'm going to take a tube to go to the Buckingham Palace, and then I'll be showing you that as well. So I just changed my jacket because it's nice and warm and a bit windy. Pretty beautiful, I would say. I can see a lot of people actually queued to take photos in that red famous telephone booth. So I would really suggest to come a bit early. Like, I was awake by 5 a.m. and I reached here by 6:30. Nobody was here, just a few people. So it's a perfect time to come to the city and take a lot of photos. Now I'm gonna go to the Buckingham Palace, as I said, and meet my friend Sean. She's actually more like my godmother more than a friend. So I'm super excited. So I'm literally following by Google Maps and walking from the station. It's a 10-minute walk to Buckingham Palace. So yeah, and now the sun has actually, okay, there is sun here and there, but it's a bit more cold. I wish I had gotten a better jacket, but never mind, I'm here. So I really hope you enjoy this walking, talking tour. It is very embarrassing because everyone's looking, but at the same time, I think all are tourists here. And it's not that crowded, maybe because it's the weekend, but it's amazing. It's so crowded, so I think I'll put my phone inside because it's super crowded, but take some pictures and then show you.
Thank you very much. We'll come to that. Okay? Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to do it in slow motion. Here we go. Watch Kieran. Ball number 1.
I just finished my little tour at which got up on a lot of things. It was super nice to see her. I'm heading back to rest, and then I've got a flight back in the evening. So I do hope you enjoyed this small little vlog. I went to quite a few places for a short little time and enjoyed it. So I think my train is coming, so I'll see you guys soon. So guys, from a very early start of the day and a long day, I am gonna rest for a bit before my flight. I really hope you enjoy these small videos like I mentioned 100 times in these videos. If you do, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment and share. See you.